Did you know that the simple act of baking bread is a prime example of a chemical change? Yes, indeed. As the yeast in the dough ferments the sugar, it produces carbon dioxide gas. This gas makes the dough rise, and when it's heated in the oven, it creates a beautiful and tasty loaf of bread. All of this is due to a series of chemical reactions that transform the initial ingredients into a completely new product. Moving on, consider a rusty bicycle or a weathered garden tool. The reddish-brown substance you see, known as rust, is actually iron oxide. This is formed when iron reacts with oxygen in the presence of water, a process called oxidation. This chemical change alters the properties of the iron, resulting in the formation of rust. Have you ever wondered about the science behind the ripening of fruits? Fruits like bananas, avocados, and tomatoes undergo a chemical change as they ripen. The gases released during this process trigger chemical reactions that soften the fruit and change its color and flavor. That's why a ripe banana is softer, sweeter, and more yellow than a green one. Picture a cozy campfire. The flames dancing on the logs are a result of a chemical change. As the wood burns, it reacts with oxygen in the air. This reaction produces heat, light, and new substances, such as ash and carbon dioxide. So the warm, inviting fire is actually a showcase of chemical changes at work. Lastly, think about the time when you forgot to put the milk back in the fridge. The sour taste and smell that you encountered the next day are the result of a chemical change. Bacteria present in the milk ferment the lactose, which alters the taste and smell of the milk, making it sour. To sum up, chemical changes are a routine part of our lives, occurring in everything from the food we eat to the air we breathe. They may seem complex, but they're simply nature's way of transforming one substance into another. Today, we explored 5 examples: the baking of bread, the rusting of iron, the ripening of fruits, the burning of wood, and the souring of milk. Each of these processes is a fascinating demonstration of the power and ubiquity of chemical changes in our everyday world. Thank you for joining this exploration of everyday chemical changes. Remember, science is always around us, even in the most mundane activities. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.